Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be talking about architecture entrance exams, their pattern, syllabus, important dates, and list of colleges. There are two entrance exams. You can give one or both. The first is NATA, National Aptitude Test in Architecture. This test measures your aptitude related to architecture and drawing and observation skills, sense of proportion, aesthetic sensitivity, critical thinking ability, everything related to architecture. Then this exam is conducted by the National Institute of Advanced Studies in Architecture, which is a body of Council of Architecture, New Delhi in India. So let me tell you, the Council of Architecture is the body that gives you your license for practicing after your graduation. You will be registered under the Council of Architecture. So the next exam is the JEE Main Paper 2, that is the joint entrance exam, followed by JEE Advanced and AAT Architecture Aptitude Test. So if you want to get admission into the NITs and centrally funded institutes like School of Planning, then you need to give the JEE Main Paper 2. I will discuss about advanced and AAT in the later slides. The NTA department conducts this JEE exam from 2019. Let's talk about NATA. The eligibility is 10 plus 2, having PCM, that is the science stream, as a compulsory stream. So no commerce stream is allowed. Then 10 plus 3, that is the diploma. So you can have diploma in any subject like computer, electrical, mechanical, etc. And still you can give the NATA exam. It happens twice a year. Then it is a computer based examination due to this COVID situation. Then the test consists of two parts. The part A is the cognitive skills for drawing and visual composition test, preferential multiple choice type test to be answered on PC or laptop, and this substitutes the paper based test for this year. The part B is scientific ability and general aptitude, comprises of MCQs that you have studied about physics, chemistry, mathematics, and general aptitude. So due to this situation, only this exam is computer based, but earlier when I gave this exam, I gave this on pen and paper. That is the drawing part. That actually they gave some paper, then they asked us to draw according to the question paper. Then it is a 2-hour exam of total 200 marks. Then the part A will be of 72 minutes, 125 marks, and these are the types of questions that will be asked. Then the part B is the cognitive skills test. It will be of 45 minutes and total 75 marks. And these are the types of questions that will be asked in the exam. Then the JEE Main Paper 2. Eligibility is same as the NATA exam. Then this paper is conducted in multiple sessions like February, March, April, and May. The part first and second consist of aptitude and mathematics, that is common for both B-Arts and B planning. And the part third will consist of drawing for B-Arts, and planning part is for B-Plan students. The drawing part is offline. They will give you an A4 sheet and they will ask you to draw as per the question paper. It is a 3.5 year exam. Then total number of questions will be 82 for B-Arch and 105 for B planning. You will get 4 marks for correct response and -1 for every wrong answer. Then it is a 400 marks exam. Medium of paper can be English or Hindi depending upon your choice. Then, as I told you earlier, you will get admission into NITs and SPS by clearing this JEE main paper too. Remember this. Then the next is the syllabus of this exam. The general aptitude, it will consist of awareness of person, places, buildings, materials, objects, and texture related to architecture and built environment. Then visualizing 3D objects from two-dimensional drawings, then different size of three-dimensional objects and analytical reasoning, mental ability. Then mathematics, mostly the topics you have learned in your 11th and 12th class related to state board, CBSE and ICC board. The mathematics part is a bit difficult in this examination, so be prepared for that. Then the drawing will consist of the drawing and designing of geometrical or abstract shapes and patterns in pencil, then transformation of forms, both 2D and 3D union, elevation and 3D views of objects rotation, development of surfaces and volumes, generation of plan, creating 2D, 3D compositions using given shapes and forms, sketching of activities from memory of urban scenes. Then the planning part will have general awareness regarding development issues, government programs, schemes, etc. Critical thinking and analytical skill, graphic charts, maps, reading skills, and simple statistics, CBSE class 10 social sciences topic. Then let's talk about JEE Advanced, that is formerly known as IIT JEE, as the 7 zonal IITs conduct this exam. Last year, that is in 2020, this exam was conducted by the IIT Delhi. The and next exam is the AAT, that is Architecture Aptitude Test. So this is the important slide, guys. You need to focus on this. So the eligibility is, that is one of the eligibility I'm talking about. You need not have minimum 75% marks in the 12th exam. So you might have heard that from this year they have scrapped the criteria of minimum 75% marks. So only if you have passed the 12th class, it is fine. You are eligible. But the next eligibility is that you should stand among these 250,000 JEE main rank holders. So if your JEE main rank falls in this range, then only you are eligible for the advanced exam. Then you should be born on or after 1st October 1996, but there is a 5-year flexibility given for the category students. Then the topics are, guys, this is important: physics, chemistry, and maths. So these topics are in JEE advanced exam, and this exam is common for the engineering and architecture students. So there is no other JEE advanced paper. It is common for both engineering and architecture students. So there will be only one JEE advanced paper. But if you wish to get admission into only architecture, then you need to qualify this architecture aptitude test, that is the double AT. Then only you will get admission into the BARCH, which is available in IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, and IIT Varanasi. So I have written a note here, that is for admission in IITs for BARCH, only the score and marks obtained in the JEE advanced exam will be considered, but it is mandatory to qualify the AAT exam. So when you are getting admission into the IIT for BARCH course, you need to qualify the AAT exam, but the score of the JEE advanced exam will be considered to give you admission into these three IITs. The score of the AEE exam will not be considered. Topics for double AT: freehand drawing, geometrical drawing, 3D perception, imagination and aesthetic sensitivity, architectural awareness, architectural general knowledge. Then the exam mode: JEE Advanced, that is the exam of physics, chemistry and mathematics. It will be a multiple choice computer based exam. But the AAT paper will be the pen and paper based. So you need to carry your pencils, paint, color pens, whatever the drawing material it is. Then important dates for NATA exam. The tentative dates I have mentioned. So guys, please pause this video here and note down these tentative dates and continuously follow this www.nata.in website for any updates in the exam schedule. Then about the JEE main paper 2, that is for the architecture students only. Pause this video right now and note down these dates. Timing for exam: Biaj, first shift will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and second shift from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then for B planning 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. The website is jemain.nta.nic.in. So please guys, check this website regularly for any update. Then important dates for advanced and the AT exam. So the website is yes, jaeeadv.ac.in. So it has been declared that the advanced exam will be held on July 3. Then application forms will get released in the first week of May 2021. Application forms for the AAT will get released in the second week of June 2021. So you need to continuously follow this website and check this website written down. Important colleges in India. So guys, I have given you this list of colleges in India. These are some of the important colleges in India. But in my next coming video, I am discussing in details all about these colleges, their fees, their ratings, ranks, etc. So please follow my videos guys. I continuously upload my videos every week. So that's it for today. Bye and be safe.